This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do taxes for self-employed individuals. First, understand that as a self-employed person, you are both the employer and employee for tax purposes. This means you are responsible for paying both halves of Social Security and Medicare taxes, known as self-employment tax. We will cover the essential forms, estimated tax payments, and crucial deductions to help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. Understanding estimated tax payments is crucial for self-employed individuals. Since taxes are not withheld from your paychecks, you must pay them throughout the year. These payments cover your income tax and self-employment tax. Failing to pay enough estimated tax can result in penalties, so it is important to accurately project your income and expenses. Adjust your payments if your income changes significantly during the year. One of the biggest advantages of being self-employed is the ability to deduct legitimate business expenses, which reduces your taxable income. Common deductions include office supplies, business travel, and professional development. Do not forget about the qualified business income deduction, which can allow you to deduct up to 20% of your qualified business income. Always keep detailed records and receipts for all your deductions. To wrap up, remember that diligent record keeping is your best friend when it comes to self-employment taxes. Keep all your income and expense documentation organized throughout the year. Filing accurately and on time helps avoid penalties. If you find the process overwhelming, consider consulting a tax professional. They can offer personalized advice and ensure you are taking advantage of all available deductions. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.